Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to back up iPhone to PC. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the search menu from the bottom of the screen and search for Microsoft Store. After that, open the official store and a bunch of recommended apps will be displayed. Now, click on the search bar at the top and search for iTunes. Here, click on the Target Apps tile and install it onto your device. Once that is done, open iTunes and a window will appear prompting you to sign into your iCloud account. After logging in, make sure to connect your mobile device to your personal computer using a data cable. If this is your first time connecting, you may be asked to trust your PC. Simply tap on the Trust button. Next, click on the mobile icon located at the top left corner. Once you do that, this type of interface will be displayed. Now, navigate to the Backup header and click on the Backup Now button. This will back up all of your data to your iCloud account. To back up to your personal computer, make sure to select the This Computer option from the left side and then click on the Backup button. In order to locate your backup files, open the This PC app and access the system drive. Inside it, go to the Users tab, open your username folder, access the Apple folder, and then open the mobile sync feature. You will then be able to get your backed up data. So that's basically how you can back up iPhone to PC. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.